I'm Debra Lee Baldwin with my latest bird feeder made from a repurposed object. In case you're wondering, no, this is not mine. I got it new at a thrift store. I thought the black would be a good backdrop for the more colorful wild birds. These are linnets or house finches. The male has red on his breast. Oh well, that could be taken wrong. I also added some seed to attract bright yellow goldfinches and some chopped peanuts in the hope of attracting some D-cup-sized doves. I'm Debra Lee Baldwin, procrastinating yet again in my garden. This 1-minute video, originally posted on Instagram, went viral when I posted it on Facebook. My two most favorite comments were, "Great video, Debra," they capitalized BRA, and "This wouldn't work with my bra, the birds would starve to death." Surprisingly few comments were off color, but several suggested I try to attract bush tits, wren tits, titmice, and boobies. Yes, those are all names of different kinds of birds. Be sure to enjoy my other videos with bird feeders made from repurposed items. You'll find them on my Debra Lee Baldwin YouTube channel, playlist Debra's Bird Feeders. And do give it a try yourself. House finches are quite common and will hop into anything that holds raw sunflower seeds and millet.